kayak is in Kayak since 8 o'clock. It's not stopping. 25 seconds, 30 seconds, not stopping. So, this is the situation. It is pouring outside. And my aerator doesn't work. Like always, it always decides not to work when you really need it. Story of my life. Well, we're gonna wait this thing out and then we're gonna go catch some fish. Fish Bandit Squad. Well, we're here. I told you we were gonna get out here. Rain, sleet, or snow, we are out here at the spot under the Pelican Bridge, and we are after some redfish. There has got to be some redfish in here. Alright, well, I'm gonna set up. Hardhead. Woo, that lightning was loud. I got a lot of water inside of my kayak, so we're gonna fish for about another hour, go in for some lunch. Look how much water my kayak is in Kayak since 8 o'clock. It's not stopping. 25 seconds, 30 seconds, not stopping. Quick update, we just ate our sandwich for lunch and we found out that we got a bigger leak in our kayak than expected. So, seeing as we got about 2.5 hours before the kayak's full of water again, we are gonna go fishing. We got fish on the little rod. Oh, little mangrove. Little mangrove. All right, we'll take that. Whew. Little mangrove. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Little mangrove. Not bad. First catch of the day. These guys are mad. They try to bite you. Snappers. Mangrove snapper right there. What'd you say? What'd you say? What'd you say? You didn't even film it. I like that. Well, this is what I missed. This is the fight that I missed. This guy, little red. I'm gonna release this guy. Probably like 17, 18. Later, dude. Yeah. There you go. What's up? What you got, boy? go. On the little rod. Oh. He tried. He's trying. Whoa, 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 whoa. Another one. Small. Second redfish of the day. See you later, buddy. Down he goes. Oh, this one feels kind of heavy. This one feels kind of heavy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hopefully he's a slot. Woo! On the little rod. Yeah, I knew I felt you, fool. I knew I felt you. Oh Jesus! Don't lose him. Don't lose him. Come on. Oh man. Oh yeah, he might be. I think he's a keep. I think he is a keep. Slot. Oh, don't worry, Mr. Mangrove. We're getting you a buddy right now. We're getting you a buddy right now. There you go. Woo. Oh yeah. Come here, boy. Oh. I don't think he's done. Woo. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Man, he's probably gonna be right at 20. Maybe not. I don't know. He's nice though. He's nice though. Alright. He's 3 pounds. He's 3 pounds. See what he's weighing. Let's see what he's measuring. Oh no, boy. You are too small. 18. Man, you fought like a champ too. He is 18. Oh well. See you later, guy. There he goes. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Let's get the next one. Let's get the next one. I was gonna take this guy home, but I'm gonna let him go. I'll let him see another day. See you later, dude.